You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Australian rugby player, your rugby union. If you want to learn more names from rugby that are confusing, you found the right channel. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one, stay tuned. So let's break it down. Mark, you already knew that. Nawaqanitawase. Yes, it sounds like there's a bit of an N there, which is not really on the spelling, but Nawaqanitawase. Mark Nawaqanitawase. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.